All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another lawn mowing video. Okay. Whoa. Well, my helper's a little excited at the moment, so let's get to it. It's been about, let's say, about 4 or 5 days since we mowed last. Maybe closer to a week since we mowed last. And oh yes, calm down. Thank you. It's been about a week since we mowed last. I was working on that 2-day rotational mowing schedule, but I decided I wanted to let things sit and settle in for a bit, try and push out a little bit longer, get a little bit taller. Not trying to mow as low this go around, just to develop some of these healthier roots and get some of my areas filled in this season. So I don't know. I'm playing it by ear. I'm trying to figure it out as I go. It's nature, aren't we all? Nothing's going to be exactly perfect, but we're working through it. So, oh yeah, hello. Turn the camera on and you go crazy for everyone, right? Oh yeah, good boy. So we're gonna give the yard a quick trim this morning. Gonna edge around the yard and then give it a good quick mow. Just get it tidied up, freshened up real quick. It's going pretty good. And then I have a new product I'm gonna show you guys that I'm gonna try on the yard. It's a liquid soil loosener from Simple Lawn Solutions. Hit that up on Amazon and didn't give that a shot to hopefully help loosen up the soil, kind of a liquid aeration in a sense, and bring down or soften up some of the compaction that we have in the yard, as well as hopefully help with some of the drainage issues that I'm running into here in the yard as well. So get a little bit more air and water down into the root base of the yard. So we'll give that a shot, see how it works. So let's go. No, no, please, no, please. Come on, go, 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 go play. You're in the way. Here, take a ball. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. You stay. You stay. Stay. I do have to say that I like this electric trimmer. However, I'm a little disappointed in the quality of the string line. I feel like the line breaks really easily, especially just going just barely getting up against these bricks and things like that. It's just chipping and fraying away. So I'm gonna have to figure that out and see what the other options are out there. Something a little bit more durable. Cool. Well, everything trimmed up, quick and easy. Keep it simple. Let's grab the mower. All right, so I got the mower out, and I noticed that the where's down here? No, yeah, right here. My I noticed that my axle was sticking out slightly for the wheels. So I was like, that's kind of odd, and I looked, and yeah, lost the nut off the other side. Checked around in grass, checked in the shed, can't find it anywhere. So don't know really when I lost that, but gonna have to find a new one. Either way, got things shipped back over. We should be good to mow though. But today, since we're not mowing super low, we're gonna mow on a slightly higher setting here on the mower, give us a little bit more height to the yard, and hopefully just take off the very kind of the tips of everything just to tidy things up a bit. Fuel's on, choke, and oh, here we go. All right, first half of the yard coming off. Not too much, but looks pretty good. Picking up some just longer strands, some loose stuff, some dead grass, so we're doing pretty good so far. One more minute pass on the middle. Cool. There we go. Watch out, buddy. Another decent set of clippings. So we're looking good. Happy with that. And we always run into a little bit of difficulty on this side over here, at least right now, just because we have the giant hole in the yard still from the irrigation repair. There's a bunch of dirt sitting around that, as well as in our dry vertical drainage patch that we have on this other side. So there's quite a bit of dirt. It's messed up. It's rocky. It's just kind of gunky over there. So we're gonna hit the trimmer again and just clean that up just a little bit. But otherwise, we're looking pretty good. Round this up. Cool. Happy with that. Just tidied up the area a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Quite a few rocks that have worked their way in, so didn't need to go through and clean those up before they get covered up too much with grass. Otherwise, that's going to be a nightmare. All right, we're looking a little bit better. Let's get the blower out, give it everything a good blow off, and then we'll grab our new product and we'll throw it on the lawn. All right, looking much better now. Let's get all this wrapped up and put away. All right, so new products I'm talking about right here. We have Simple Lawn Solutions is the company, and it's their liquid soil loosener, as you guys can see here. Again, it's an Amazon product. You've seen some of my previous videos. I've used their liquid lawn food. They have a whole variety of different products online that are highly recommended. I'm not a huge liquid application fan just because I'm lazy and I'm not the greatest when it comes to liquid applications. I prefer the Anderson's company. Their granular products. Absolutely love those. Stand by. I'm tried and true. We'll continue to use those, but just trying to mix it up, try some different stuff on the lawn. And I do appreciate the quick boost that the lawn food does give to the green and the grass and the quick growth that it does help promote. So it is great. It is nice that it comes in a hose-in sprayer. You pretty much plug your hose in, quickly run it over the yard, and it does do a great job. So I definitely recommend checking this out if you have the opportunity. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up real quick, and you have a couple different ways you can spray it. Of course, you can use a backpack sprayer, a separate mixture tank, or you can use a hose-in sprayer. So I'm going to kind of cannibalize this older one, or at least attempt to, and throw it on this one here with the hopes that we'll be able to make this work. So the application rate is about 1 ounce per 1,000 square feet. As you guys know, my yard is like 300 square feet, so it really doesn't take much. So my goal is just going to be a good, quick spray over the property, and then after that, we're going to, of course, run the sprinkler, water it in for about 20 minutes or so. Then it takes 15, 20 minutes just to really wet it into the soil, and we'll see how it works from there. Cool. Let's go. Here we go. Simple and easy. My problem areas are definitely off to the north side of the property. That's where I have a lot of the dry areas due to the soil compaction. So that will definitely help in those spots is the goal. Yeah, easy peasy. Put it on. Water it in. And just like that, we're set to go. All right, while that's doing its thing here for a minute, I wanted to show you guys. We got a couple more hibiscus flowers that bloomed this morning. There's the one from yesterday. So that one's all curled up, but we got two more brand new beautiful ones this morning. Looking pretty good. There's lots of other little blooms working their way in throughout the plant, so that's exciting to see here this summer. All right, this has been on for a few minutes. I'm gonna shift it down here to the other side of the yard. There we go. Perfect. Get this side watered up, and yeah, we'll be good. The yard is looking good. Got it all watered in, mowed up, trimmed. We're back in business. I appreciate everyone for tuning in for another session of mowing the yard and the lawn update project that we got going on here. Be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you see anytime we go live for just our live chat sessions or live mowing sessions that we've done before. And make sure you get those notifications on when we have new videos, new shorts. Be sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions or any other ideas or products you think we should try out, and I appreciate it. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.